Alrighty, everyone. You know the routine. Whoever doesn't get a marshmallow goes to the elimination room to the votes. The following people are safe:
Junkin,
Scott, RoboCop, Gox, Owen, Starlight, Sunset, Asui, and Alejandro.
Lightning, you're on the chopping block for your crummy math skills and incessant bicep kissing.
If they were yours, you'd do it too. Mwah. Mwah.
And Rainbow Dash.
You're on the block for your annoyingly pushy campaign to send Lightning home.
You did what? And tonight's loser is...
Rainbow Dash! Wait, what? See that? Not even Rainbow Dash can stop the lightning.
Ah, victory is the ultimate shebang.
And Rainbow Dash, screw your life. Lightning wins.